It is time for my song of the week.
All right.
And summertime, we know, is boating season.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Wait, you're supposed to be in the boat, Jeff, not splashing off. Okay, either way, it's fine.
Get in and
I
out.
guess you,
But
yeah.
now, experts and rational folks will tell you that owning a boat sucks.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's maintenance costs and boat insurance and moorage fees and cleaning fees. And typically it's all a solo effort, too, because nobody wants to volunteer to help you do any of that
Yeah.
stuff.
I literally have a friend who's like, you can borrow my boat whenever you want, but you got to maintain it for the day. And I'm like,
Yeah.
nope, never mind.
Yeah.
And for most Americans, they don't even live near any large bodies of water.
That's true, yeah.
Plus, the majority of people only get a couple of weeks off for vacation, so you might only get 7 total days of boating the entire year.
The math is mathing.
That's if it's even running.
Yeah.
Wait, are you trying to talk out of buying a boat just because you got turned down at the
Wait a
dealership
minute.
last
You
week,
just tried
Jeff?
to buy a boat.
Is that what it is? Is that why you're so negative?
I'm weighing the positives and the negatives about it.
All right.
It's quite possible that boats are the single worst financial investment of all time, and this is according to experts.
That is true. It really is.
And the guy that boat shamed you at the dealership.
It's true, but you know what? Those so-called experts can go suck an egg.
That's right, Jeff.
Because the memories that you're going to make on that boat will pay for themselves.
Man, I
Just-
love boats.
Imagine little Jose riding on the bow of my boat, bouncing around on the water without a life jacket on, just smiling and gloating in the breeze.
Lighting a flare. Help. I can't swim.
You're
it's
going to
gonna be-
love it, Jose.
It's gonna be hard to light with all the wind coming into your face.
Because the thing is, when you're the captain of a water vessel, everybody instantly respects you and thinks you're cool.
And you're hot to girls.
Or
Exactly.
just uses you for the boat.
Yeah.
I mean, especially if they show up without gas money for you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'll still take it.
Yeah, you will. Okay.
I need the ego boost. That's why I wanted to write a song for all those dreamers who wish that they could someday afford to own their own skiff.
Oh, right from your soul,
Yes.
Jeff.
That's why instead of singing Adele's Rolling in the Deep,
Oh, wow.
it's Young Jeffrey's Boatin' with My Peeps.
I love this.
I'm going to point when I'm ready. Point. Boat desires, I've had 'em from the start. Jealous in Sunday school of Noah and his ark. On the docks, I just stare out with envy. Like a white Moana, this lake water is calling me. I'd take a trawler or even a pontoon, a half-sunken airboat from an Everglades lagoon. I aspire to sail to St. Bart's, rub elbows with Rihanna and maybe other body parts. My parents don't love this boat plan because my finance shaky as a pitcher's knuckleball. Brain rocked by boat thoughts, now I'm seasick cause I can't stop dreaming of sailing on a squall. With dockers on my feet, I'm steering while my other hand's squirting dollops of sunscreen. Other yachts got them hot girls taking turns. I just got my mother on the bow showing off her stern. My mast rising, I think I'm gonna squeal. Call Lonely Island cause I'm on a boat for real. Invite all my buds to bring beers and grub with Morgan Wallen on Bluetooth speaker, y'all. I entered to toss my bottoms flew off, that ain't no buoy. Post photos of my boat on my Insta feed. Wave at poor people on the sand. And now I'm flexing nautically. Never say hello. I'll only say ahoy, matey. And always wear my bright life vest. 'cause nothing's sexy as boat safety. Up on dry land, I'm probably a 4. But on a sea ray, I'm a solid 8 for sure. Captain Sparrow got ladies making noise. Captain Hook could have any girl, but he preferred Lost Boys. If I just owned a boat, they'd call me the float go, bro. Yo ho, yo ho, yo ho. Spent every dime I own just to buy a small dinghy like Amber Heard and Johnny Depp. I dropped anchor in my bed sheets. I sail along the coast on the SS bankruptcy, but it's all worth the crippling debt. Once I'm sailing, regaling, fishtailing in the lake where I just pee.
Yay! All right, Jeff.
All right.
Good. You know, dreams. They're so close to reality for you.
Who would have thought the boat song of the summer would be Adele?
Yeah.
Right? Like, this is going to be awesome.
That's your song of the week. Text in
Yay.
78592 and tell us what you thought about it. We'll post a video up on all of our socials at Brooke and Jeffrey with the lyrics there so you can see it and share it with a fellow boat.
Ooh, I'll play it on
wannabe.
my paddleboard past the boat.
Oh, yeah, that'd be awesome.
That's your song of the week. We got your phone tab coming up in just a few minutes.